Google just had one of its biggest leaks ever. High-quality images of the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and Pixel 10 Pro XL have surfaced months before their launch. But strangely, people don't seem excited. No major debates, no big discussions, just silence. Why? The Pixel 10 series looks almost the same as the Pixel 9. The only noticeable change is that the regular Pixel 10 is getting a third camera. Other than that, you'd need to look very closely to find any differences. Google has always tried to do things differently. Last year, it surprised everyone by releasing 3 Pixel models instead of 2. So why does the Pixel 10 feel so predictable? It seems unlikely that Google's only plan for 2025 is a minor upgrade. Remember when Apple's Steve Jobs would announce a one more thing surprise? Maybe Google is planning something big too. What if there's a secret 4th Pixel 10 model we don't know about? This isn't about another foldable phone. It could be something completely new. Maybe a Pixel 10 Air or Pixel 10 Edge, a thinner, sleeker device that competes with ultra-thin smartphones. Samsung is working on the Galaxy S25 Edge. Apple might release the iPhone 17 Air. People want slimmer phones, but Google isn't in that race yet. The Pixel 9 was already thicker and heavier than its competitors. Google once made thin phones. The Nexus 6P, for example, was just 7.3mm thick. A new Pixel with that kind of sleekness could attract a lot of interest. Google usually focuses on software and AI rather than trendy designs, but people now want both power and portability. A Pixel 10 Air wouldn't have to be the thinnest phone ever, just slimmer than current Pixels, while keeping Google's signature software experience. Maybe this is why people aren't excited about the leaked designs. It feels like something is missing. Maybe Google is saving its best surprise for later. Samsung is already making thinner phones. Apple is rumored to be working on an even slimmer iPhone. If Google doesn't do something bold, it could fall behind. A thinner Pixel 10 Air would need a more efficient chipset and better cooling. Google is already improving AI-powered battery management. If they use that to make a slim, powerful Pixel, it could be a game changer. Of course, this is just speculation. No solid leaks confirm a Pixel 10 Air yet. But the lack of excitement around the Pixel 10 series suggests that Google still has something up its sleeve. What do you think? Is Google hiding a surprise device, or is the Pixel 10 series just not exciting enough? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news.